Okay, getting the Grom ready. It's all safety wired. I rode it just a few weeks ago, but I'm taking the front brake apart to check the pad wear. Those pads are very tapered at one end and look like they're seated unevenly. Anyway, someone else had mentioned they took their pads off and found everything worn out. So, hey, I have an extra set of pads. Let's do this now instead of later, in case this bike has to be raced tomorrow, in case all our backup solutions fail. Good old 74 Cardboard Avenger, getting new brake pads. Well, these pads are not entirely gone, but notice the ridge at the top. So these are not sitting flat on the disc. There is this original pad there. Again, there's plenty of pad left, but I'm gonna go switch them out anyway. That's a new set of pads. Really curious why that doesn't quite sit on the disc. It actually extends out a little bit past it. Anyway, so that doesn't quite line up. Okay, no worries, gonna switch the pads out and put it back together. Deal with that another time. All back together. Remember to pump up the brakes when you're done. Everything's tightened. I need to get paint pen marks on those so that I can tell if anything's loosening because of the nature of that, but safety wire, all good. Ready for my tech sticker. Not that I'm planning to ride this tomorrow. Hopefully, if everything goes well, it's just a backup bike or a loaner for another team or whatever.